Union Minister of Panchayati Raj, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Rajiv Ranjan Singh has vowed to continue supporting the conservation of the endangered Manipuri pony. The assurance was communicated in a formal letter to former Rajya Sabha MP Leshim Sanajauba, responding to a special mention Sanajauba raised in Parliament on March 17, 2026. The minister affirmed that the central government will provide all necessary assistance to the Manipur government to ensure effective conservation. It further highlights the collaborative effort operates under the framework of the Manipuri Pony Conservation and Development Policy 2016. It emphasized the efforts where the owners and clubs are allowed to register their ponies with the Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department using RFID microchips. The letter also mentioned Pony Registration System (PRS) software to build a unique database of the Manipuri pony population while simultaneously executing targeted breeding strategies to preserve the breed.